Hi Ravi.
Hello, sir.
So you are giving first ML solution demo in non-cloud environment today
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's my first
for
solution demo.
insurance risk assessment.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Please proceed. I'll
Yes.
put on
Thank
mute.
you. Good morning, friends. This is a solution demo for insurance risk assessment for approval. Uh, my name is Ravi Kankangne. I'm from Pune and I'm a non-native background. This is my LinkedIn ID and this is my coach LinkedIn ID and this website. This demo is done through a job coaching. So for this, the agenda for this demo is why fake claims come to approval and current business challenges in the policy approval and giving the claims and the product design requirements. How do we design the product to stop these fake claims and the issuance of the policy and the real time use case we use in this uh, model development and here we select the ML algorithm to make a model and and then I give you ML model development steps to here. So my use case is the health insurance assessment for policy approval. The objective is the predict the likelihood of customers policy being approved based on their profile. Automate the risk assessment process to streamline policy approval. If the customer needs to uh, approve the policy and taking the claims, here we make that the process in automate because nowadays if you issue the policy and you have any claim, there is a lengthy process to get a claim. In my project, I will be automate that the process and reduce the time for the get the claim amount. So here my business goal is reduce manual intervention in policy approval, identify high risk customer to minimize claim to losses, identify high risk customer those who are making a fake claims and the show the wrong customers or the insurer to taking the claims and speed up the policy approval process. Uh, Here I am trying to uh, make up the and reduce the time for the policy approval in the process. In a pictorial diagram, I like to show assessing likelihood for policy approval, risk prediction that the customer is not fraudulent. I'm trying to show here in this prediction, and I here streamline this evaluation process, automated assessment. I am trying to get automated assessment in my model and high risk identification, detecting potential high risk customer. In this model, I am trying to make to reduce the risk customer and detecting them to reduce the high risk in the policy approval. uh, how means here I am trying to define the problem definition. When the customer applies for health insurance, insurer assess the risk profile based on the multiple factors. On the following, these are the factors when we assess the profile of the customers. Age. First is the age. Older individuals may pose a higher risk due to increased medical expenses. Those who are customer older, they are may pose to higher risk due to the increase of medical expenses. When the age is high, that time the disease will be high and the medical expenses is not easy to pay to the customer. The medical history, pre-existing condition may increase the likelihood of a claims. If we have the medical history of that customer, then it's easy to uh, It's easy to give the claims amount to the customer. Driving behavior. Risk driving patterns may indicate potential accident. Means how the customer is a drinker or not drinker, that will be we use in the data. Financial history. The poor credit history may suggest a higher chance to fraudulent claims. And the if the customer credit history is not good, it's that time we are easy to uh, calculate the fraudulent claims of that customer. And the premium amount, the higher premiums may be associated with larger claims. Uh, if the higher premiums may be associated with the larger claims, we are trying to reduce the uh, premium amount as per the customer's claims. The premium amount is high, the larger claim will become. The policy duration. Long-term policy may have higher claim probabilities. We are trying to reduce the term of the policy policy term, because the if the long-term policy have the higher claim, if the term of the policy is high, then the claim come to be is a probability to come in a higher amount. The goal is to predict if a policy will be approved or denied based on this item. We decide approved or denied the claims on this above data. Classify policy approvals, yes or no, using predictive model. Here we are classify the policy approval on yes or no using predictive model. Insurance is here we see the what are the insurance risks, and how you means define that insurance risk. These are the categories in the picture diagram. Strategic risk from changing customer demands and new competitors. Financial risk related to market fluctuation and credit issues. Operational risk from IT security and supply chain challenges. Compliance risk involving regulatory and ethical concerns. The financial and reporting is such as the market fluctuation, tax issue, and credit risk. The risks are if the taxes is more on the premium, that way the customer is not issue the policy, and also the credit score credit risk is defined in the issuance of premium. If the credit is this, if a credit of that customer is not good, we are not issuing the policy. The market fluctuation means the competitors are in some companies, competitors are keep low premium. And the next one, the compliance and governance is including ethical concerns, regulatory compliance, and international trade and privacy. The compliance and the governance is all means the IRDA, International Regulatory Department of Insurance Regulatory Department of Authorities, is the compliance organization for the policy. The whatever the rules he keep for the policy issuance, we follow that regulatory rules, and the in some general insurance, the international trade also come in the insurance of the policy. The operational risk and covering IT security, supply chain issues, labor challenges, and natural disaster. In operation is it's come the it's covering IT security means the cyber cyber, it's come to they get the data from the website and given to the another organization, that it's cover the IT security. And the labor challenges for the when you have a offline policy issues, that will the come labor challenges. If you have online issuance for policy, it will be easy to issue the policy, and you don't you don't need to uh, get the labor offline. And sometimes the natural disasters happen, means like a tsunami is comes in a past, that time the labor challenges it's happen because when we get the offline claims or the policies, if we don't have the labor at the time of natural disaster, we are lose the customer. Strategic risk and involving shift in customer demand and emerging of a new competitor. Strategy here we see the number of competitors is come in the market. If your premium is high, that time the customer are going to those who have low premium. These are the this is come in a future time. Data collected by insurance professional. How we get the data about the customer? Social security number. So in India, the social security number has a Aadhaar card and a PAN card. The driver license and non-driver identification number. When we issue the policy for the motor, we take the we see the driver license it have or not. If he don't have a driver license, we not issue the policy. Account, credit card or debit card number. If we the issue the policy, we get the account number, credit card number for the take premium for the from the customer, security code, access code or password for accessing financial accounts. When we make the model, we keep the security code, access code and password for accessing financial uh, accounts. Biometric data, we make the data on the biometric functions. Information from healthcare provided about the customers or their family members, physical, mental or behavioral health. Here we get the data of that customer. We issue the health policy, customers, family members, physical, mental or behavioral health. Details from healthcare provider about the care given to the customer. I will take the data from healthcare provider about care given to the customer. Information related to payment for healthcare services. Here we keep the information related to the payment for giving him the healthcare process. Any business data that could significantly impact the company negatively. Any wrong data can be effect on the company image negatively. Current business challenges. Now this is in offline process. These are the some business challenges. Lengthy process for claim approval. If a customer get the claim, if he go to the offline, it's a lengthy process to take a 3 or 4 days to issue the claim number, and after 3 4 days he will get the claim amount. In my ML model, I will be keep the process easily and subject to his assessment means I am not giving the customer uh, stress to give me the your details, and I am not means going to offline give me your process. Here I am in my ML model I will get all the process in the online, and here I am trying to keep to detect the fraudulent application like fake claims, fake customer, fake documented data, and the salary limitations are come here. Uh, in my ML development steps are here for data processing, handling missing input. In my data, I will handling what is the missing input here. Encode categories for the on the dependence, ordinal 1 to 3. In the feature engineering, I will create a history. I will check the history of the policy, how many claims he took on the that one policy. Calculate claim amount on the bill submitted by insured. To calculate the means here I easily calculate. I keep the calculator for easily calculate the claim amount. Whatever the bills is submitted. Model training, splitting the data by 80-20, address class imbalance via smooth, Optimizing hypermeters using grid search, evaluate metrics. Introduction to the algorithm here. I use the algorithm as a random forest. Select algorithm random forest. Why random forest? The random forest handle imbalanced data common in a claim process. Capture capture non-linear registration income and what is the policy approval. Providers feature importance for regulatory compliance. Alternative boost logistic regression for interpretability. Provide features in highlights key features for regulatory compliance. Alternative for interpretability. Capture non-linear relationships. Modern monitoring and maintenance. Continuously track how well the model is performing. I'm tracking the model continuously, how the model is performed, and trying to identify issues like prediction errors and outdated patterns, mean the old one patterns is used or not here, and improve the model over time, retaining with updated data. I'm improving the model over the time, retaining with the updated data, and design user interface for ML application. Here I build the interface and easy to use for users. Show easy process of claim approvals to customer and ensure fair and transparent process. Here the customer comes and easily use this model. Not to me, not he is not bothered to use this and keep the data fair and transparent process. I'm trying to give the customer. So here is the my online insurance is assessment for easy to assess the risk about the customer and give and making the process easy for the claim amount. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ravi, done, right? Okay, I'll
Yes,
stop
sir. Yes, done.
recording.